In this question, show that of so each of the relation R in a set A equal to x belongs to z, where x is greater than or equal to 0 but less than and equal to 12, and the defined relations, two different relations are there. R equal to AB, magnitude of A minus B is a multiple of 4, and second R is equal to AB, where A is equal to B, is an equivalence relation, and we also have to find all elements related to 1 in each case. Consider the first question. R is a relation which contains ordered pair AB, where magnitude of A minus B is a multiple of 4. If we take AA, then it will means A minus A, which will be 0, and 0 is a multiple of 4. 0 is a multiple of every number. So we will write for all elements belongs to set A, AA belongs to R, because magnitude of A minus A is equal to 0, which is multiple of 4. So R is reflexive relation. Now, if AB belongs to R, which means A minus B magnitude is a multiple of 4. If the magnitude of A minus B is a multiple of 4, then B minus A absolute value will definitely multiple of 4, because the difference between A minus B and B minus A is only the minus sign, and which will be overcome by the absolute sign. So if AB belongs to R, then BA will definitely belongs to R, because B minus A is also a multiple of 4. Because A minus B is multiple of 4, then B minus A will definitely multiple of 4. So R is a symmetric relation. Now, if AB belongs to R, means A minus B is multiple of 4, and BC belongs to R, means B minus C is multiple of 4, then this implies AC will belong to R, because A minus C will also be a multiple of 4. Let's check one of the example. 1 5 belongs to R, because 1 minus 5 absolute value 4 is a multiple of 4, and 5 9 belongs to R, because 5 minus 9 minus 4 absolute value 4 is a multiple of 4. This implies 1 9 is also belongs to R, because 1 minus 9 minus 8 absolute value 8, which is a multiple of 4. So given relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So R is an equivalence relation. And find the set of all elements related to 1. Here we can see that 1 is related to 1, because 1 minus 1 0 and multiple of 4, then 5, then 9. So 1 is related to element 1 is related to set 1 5 9, because the difference of 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 5, the difference of 1 1, 1 5 and 1 9 is a multiple of 4. So 1 is related to 159. Now move to the second problem. Where R is AB, R contain AB where A is equal to B. It is clear for all elements which are in A belongs to R because A is equal to A. A pair AB will contain in R if A equal to B. Then A will definitely contain in R because A is equal to A. So the relation R is reflexive. Now if AB belongs to R means A equal to B, then BA also belong to R because A equal to B means B is also equal to A. So R is symmetric. Now if AB belongs to R means A is equal to B and BC belongs to R, which means B is equal to C, then AC will belong to R because if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C. So R is transitive. Our relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So R is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Now we have to find the set of all elements which are related to 1. So 1 is related to number which is equal to 1. So 1 is related to 1 itself. Set 1. Is this okay? Now we have proved that in these two parts both the relations are equivalence relation.